In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and use Vimeo Screen Recording on desktop. By the end, you'll be able to install the Vimeo Record extension, capture your screen with or without your camera, and share the finished video confidently. Start by opening your browser and searching for Chrome Web Store. In the results, look for the official Chrome Web Store listing and open it. Once you're there, use the store's search bar to look up Vimeo Record. You're looking for the Vimeo Record Chrome extension, which lets you record your screen, your camera, or both right from the browser. On the extension page, click Add to Chrome. A confirmation prompt will appear. Choose Add Extension and accept the terms if a pop-up asks for them. After the extension installs, it's helpful to pin it for quick access. Click the puzzle piece extensions icon in the top right of Chrome, then click the pin next to the Vimeo V so the icon stays visible on your toolbar. Now click the Vimeo V icon and select Start Recording. The first time you use it, your browser will ask for permission to use your camera and microphone. Click Allow so your recordings include your voice and, if you choose, your camera feed. If you have multiple devices, make sure the correct microphone and camera are selected in the small panel that appears. Next, choose how you want to record: screen only, camera only, or both in picture-in-picture. Screen only is best for walkthroughs. Camera only works well for quick messages, and picture-in-picture keeps your face visible while you demonstrate on screen. Then decide what to share: your entire screen, a specific application window, or a single Chrome tab. Entire screen captures everything, including notifications. A window keeps the focus on one app. A Chrome tab is ideal for browser-based demos and can provide cleaner audio from that tab. When you confirm your selection, a 3-second countdown appears. Use that brief moment to position any windows and take a breath before speaking. Record your walkthrough as needed. When you're finished, click the Stop Sharing button that appears at the bottom center of your screen. After you stop, your recording automatically uploads to your Vimeo account and opens in a new tab. Here, you can watch it back, trim if needed, add a title and description, and set privacy options to control who can view it. When you're ready to share, copy the link and send it to your audience, or adjust the settings to embed it where you need. That's it. Your desktop screen recording flow with Vimeo is ready to go.